Good morning, traders. This is Miami Trade Floor, and I want to discuss today a trade that we took on Aussie dollar on November 29th during the Asian Tokyo session here at GoodMorningForex.com. Using our 5-minute formula, we have a really nice setup that I just want to discuss today. But before we do that, just wanted to mention that we have our online daily trade room where we trade online as a team. Starts every day at 7 a.m. Eastern. Twice a week we do agent session, and our main goal is to trade as a team, and we focus on different information that we call our 4 corners, which is money management, trading psychology, fundamental analysis, can also be market sentiment, and lastly, technical analysis. And now we basically share information openly in our online trade room. So this formula, if you would like to learn more, just visit us online at goodmorningforex.com/Facebook for a 5-day free access. And you'll be able to fully trade online with us using your own platform from home. If you'd like to know more, just give us a call at our US phone number, which is 786-286-8089. Now, before we get into this trade, traders, I just want to discuss some of the fundamentals and market sentiment that's been for the past couple days, ever since we've seen this contagion spread out throughout Europe. Today we see that euro dollar is down at the 130 level, and it's basically moved 1,200 pips since earlier on this month where it hit 142. So basically, that's bringing down a lot of the other risk currency pairs, such as Aussie dollar, pound dollar as well. So let's take a look at this trade, traders. Today's trade, we basically took Aussie dollar short from above this 96.50 level for a quick scalp of 14 points. Once we got to around the 10 pip area, which it went to 14 pips rather quickly, we were able to take out some positions and also move our stop loss to break even. Here we had our stop loss only minus 2 pips. Now that's a good part of our goal, because here at every day at GoodMorningForex.com, our traders are trying to scalp between 30 and 50 points at a leverage of 3 to 1, no more than 5 to 1. And basically we can do that on a consistent basis. We're happy. Now, the entrance was right above 96.50. We could see with this yellow line, this orange line, traders, and the current price was at pink. Now, let's take a look at some of the technicals that help us set up for this trade. This is on a 5-minute formula. First, we see our channel indicator, which is these parallel gray lines with green and red on the inside. We see that we are at the top of the channel. We were also close to a big figure entry area. Next, we were looking for some sweet spots right around the 50 area to get in, so we got slightly in above that. Very happy to do that. Next, we also saw that our simple moving average, L7, was nice and flat. So it would, once it gets out too far, it usually wants to revert back to a flat L7, which is our purple line. We also had our L1, L2, L3 green moving averages, just basically taking a relax. We also saw our first MACD, because we have 2 MACDs here, traders. So our first MACD crossing over, confirming a pull down. We also saw our stochastic RSIs coming down from the overbought zone. So it confirmed to take this down. Initially, we were stopped out after taking profits for the rest of the position. We saw it come back up here, which would have still made a good entry to take it short. Because as we see from last night on the 29th, this is basically the high of the night. It double topped and then it came down all the way to 9,600. That's where we're currently sitting at today on the 30th, midday. So we were able to take a nice position short once we saw it climb up, get out of the Bollinger Bands, hit the top of this channel indicator. We also saw our oscillators confirming to take it short. So we took it short, made some decent points, and we were basically done with that, traders. Now, if you would like more help and analysis with your trading, come and visit us online, goodmorningforex.com/Facebook, and you can get more of an explanation of trades like this every day. And this is basically what we do day in and day out, traders. We trade and scalp the markets for our consistent points to where we can consistently grow our accounts and be done, hopefully, before the Dow opens every morning. We're always starting at 7 a.m. Eastern, so you guys are more than welcome to come and visit us. With that, traders, just visit us on goodmorningforex.com. Check out the trade of the day, where we also post a more high-depth photo where you can see it very nice and clear. And with that, traders, confident trades. See you in the trade room.